Welcome back to the Stop Bullying Club. I hope you guys are loving yourself, believing yourself, loving everybody, and being kind to everybody because you never know what they're going through. And today I have a special guest on my channel, and it's... Say hi.
Hello.
This is my best friend, and we're just FaceTiming on the phone right now. But, oh God. What was that sound? Sorry. So we are going to be doing a drawing contest today at Animal Jam. I'm going to get my timer. So let me get my timer. So who's going to pick the first theme? Like, do you want to do rock, paper, scissors or something?
Can I do it?
Yeah, you can go first. Okay. Let me find my timer. Okay, I found my timer. So we will have a minute to do each one. Let me find a minute here. Hold on.
Can we do 2 minutes?
A minute will make it more challenging, though.
Wait, 1 minute and 30 seconds?
Yeah, we'll do 1 minute and 30 seconds. I just want it to be like a little bit challenging. Okay. So I set it to 1 minute and 30 seconds. Hey, do you want to come where I am, Ryan?
Oh, wait, where are you?
I'm in the art studio.
Hold on.
Yeah, we're kind of just getting, sorry, settled here, sorry. Hold on.
Yeah, I got a gold error. Hate those.
Stay, I hate login world errors. It's so annoying.
If you guys hate them too, leave it in the comments below. Someone's at my desk. Hold on.
Yeah, I'll come with you.
There's no one here. I don't see anyone.
That's like, is that like a, wait, let me go, because it might be a glitch.
I don't see anyone.
Watch when I get a login world there.
I don't see anyone. Kitty?
Kitty? There's like nobody here.
Kitty?
There's a kitty? No kitty.
Kitty?
No kitty. Okay, I'll follow you to an art studio. Or just follow me, I don't really care. Just follow me to the art studio, and then we will get started.
Just stand up.
So,
Stand up.
we're going to tell you guys the rules. So, I made up random rules, and so I'm going to make up 2 rules, and Ryan's going to make up 2 rules. So, who wants to say the rules first? Can I say them first? Like my 2? Alright, the first rule is you have to pick hard pictures to draw. You can't pick like a heart, because that will be really easy. Rule 2, no being sad if people win or lose, because you guys in the comments below are going to say, like, tell me who won. I don't really know if you guys could see Ryan's pictures, but maybe I'll insert some pictures in this video, and you guys can maybe see them. But if I don't insert the pictures in this video, then you guys just tell me, you guys just tell me who you think won by guessing, I guess, or we could just be doing this for fun, or you guys could just pick a winner. I can't speak. Winner.
Wait, should the winner, like, win something?
I don't know. No, because it's just for fun.
Okay,
So, what's your 2 rules? Now it's your turn.
no bullying about how bad someone's picture will be if it actually is that bad. And then what? The second rule is have fun. This is only for fun. Don't get sad over who wins or not. And that's all I have, really.
Yeah, and guys, if someone draws a really bad picture, like let's say I insert one of Ryan's pictures and you guys bully on her or me and say, oh my gosh, you suck at drawing, I will be blocking you and I will be kicking you off my channel because I know how to do that. So, yeah. Not trying to be like mean or anything. It's just, we don't want any bullying on this channel because
we have feelings.
We have feelings, yeah, we have feelings. We don't want any bullying on this channel because, of course, it's the Stop Bullying Club, and there's no bully on this channel. This channel is the happy side of YouTube, so, yeah. Are you ready to get started, Ryan?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can pick the first picture we're going to draw.
A wolf with a black lung.
Oh, okay. That might take me a while, but okay. No, I don't want that color.
Did you start the timer?
Oh, no, I didn't. Okay, go. I forgot we were timed.
Oh,
Yeah,
no, I'm messing up.
I'm already messing up, but we only have a few times. Guys, and by the way, don't hate on us because we're getting timed. We're getting timed.
I keep messing up.
I'm just going with the flow here. I'm not doing anything cool.
This lag is messing me up.
Save. Oh my gosh, it's lagging so bad. Oh my god. No, I don't want to do that. Okay, whatever.
Okay, finally got the head done. I'm working on the fur.
I didn't get the head done. Oh my gosh, we only have 46 seconds.
What?
Oh my god.
I at least want to get the spike done.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I cannot draw this fast. Guys, I'm so sorry if this sucks. This sucks. I can't do this anymore, you guys. Oh gosh. We have 25 seconds.
No!
No!
Mine is so bad.
Guys, I'm so sorry. We don't have time.
And the wolf has to be Arctic.
Good thing I did Arctic. Timer's up! Timer's up!
Ah!
No! I didn't even get the spike done. I was so close.
I got the spike in the head done.
So here's my wolf. If I insert a picture of Ryan's wolf, there's Ryan's wolf. But yeah, I'm gonna show Ryan my wolf. So here's my wolf. So yeah.
It doesn't look that bad, to be honest.
To be honest, it does.
I'll send you mine in a second. I'll send it in a second.
Oh my god. So here's mine, you guys. I'm just gonna draw a little heart around it because I don't know. I love hearts.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this heart! This heart is so bad! Oh my gosh.
I'll send it to you.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Look, that looks like a butt. That looks like a
What did you call
butt.
me on?
I can't say it in front of everybody.
Hold on.
This
Okay, now I know.
this heart seriously looks like a butt. It looks like a butt that's farting. I'm gonna do the farts. What am I doing with my life? Oh yeah, I'm actually gonna do a heart now. I'm going to color my heart.
It's just funny that you said it looks like a butt.
Yeah, I know. I don't know. I'm gonna do like a. Should I do? Yeah, I'm gonna do a black background. Ooh, this looks really cool. Oh, I should have did a moon.
If when the timer goes off, you're not allowed to work on it anymore.
I just put a heart around it. Look what I did.
Okay, I sent it to you.
Does that look like a butt?
I tried to send it to you.
Yeah, I didn't get it yet though, so you have to wait.
Did you get it?
No.
I swear.
Okay, guys. So now we're gonna make this challenge a little harder. We're only gonna have a minute this round. A minute.
It's not logged out.
No. No, I don't want to do that.
Did you get it?
No.
Oh my god. This person has a black short hair. Really. Oh, they have silver spikes.
What? Let me see if I got it. I don't think I got it. Yeah, I didn't get it.
Oh, I thought I sent it.
No. I feel like it's a Friday for some reason.
No. Oh, yeah. If you're wondering why we're recording at like 9 a.m., we had to do it.
Yeah. Why would we just... I know.
We went, no, snow day. I didn't mean school day.
XD.
Okay, do you get to choose the next one?
Yep. Okay, so the next one we're going to have a minute for. I didn't get Ryan's picture, but I'll probably get it later. Wait. what phone did you send it on me? Could you like text it? Hold on, we'll figure it out after the video.
I'll send you all my pictures after the video.
Yeah, because we don't want to give any like personal information out right now. So that's why I'm not showing the phone to you guys, because it has her number or her number on it. Her email on it. But yeah, still. So yeah. So are you in your art stuff, Ryan? Okay, so now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna choose a headdress just cause a light pink headdress, cause that's my dream item, and I'm really trying to get a light pink headdress. So light pink headdress, and the timer starts now. Go Ryan! This is so terrible. Yeah, guys, I'm just like going.
I'm working on the headband.
Oh, guys, by the way, tell me if you want Ryan in more videos, or maybe, or tell me if we should make
Does in more videos. # love Felicia.
Yeah, # WolfiePaw33. # the Stop Bullying Club XD.
Yes.
But yeah, if you want me and Ryan to make a vlog together, guys, just like comment. Just comment.
# world peace.
No, that's so bad. No, I'm not saying the world peace is so bad. I'm saying that thing I just made is really bad. The headdress feather thing. But yeah. Yeah, guys, get world peace, because we're the Stop Bullying Club and we're Super Daters. So we only have 11 seconds.
Oh my gosh. I'm going as fast as I can.
Timer's up. The timer's up. Oh my gosh, look at my headdress. This is mine, Ryan.
Oh my gosh. That looks like a really good wig.
Thanks.
That's not mean.
It's fine.
I finished my
Okay, yeah, so this is my headdress. I'm gonna just put up headdress. I'm gonna write headdress.
HD.
H
Finished mine, and I'm gonna screenshot
D.
it. Boom. Always paste.
No. Okay.
Okay. Mine.
I'm just doing squiggly.
Okay. Okay. Mine. This is mine.
Yes. Okay, we're gonna do her and then me and then that's it, because this video will last forever. Okay.
A dragon.
No.
Oh wait, no. No wait. A waterfall. Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do 2 minutes on this one. Okay.
Okay, 2
The
minutes.
timer starts now.
Mine looks terrible already.
Guys, I'm not a good drawer. I'm
like
just saying.
Mine looks like two gray things. We're having 2 minutes on this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this looks terrible.
Gotta do those bubbles. I'm sorry, I chose something actually pretty hard.
Oh, it's fine.
I like waterfalls. I think they're actually really pretty.
Guys, I know you guys are probably laughing right now, but I don't really care because I'm not a good drawer. So, yeah.
I've been drawing since I was little.
I've been drawing for like...
I'm gonna put vines everywhere to make it like a naturey look.
Yeah, same. We have 56 seconds, by the way.
Oh no.
This is so cringy.
Did you say this is so cringy?
Yeah.
Mine's here. Oh my gosh, this. No! Oh my gosh, no! My rocks and my water got ruined.
Right, we only have 33 seconds.
Spare me, please.
Spare me, people, please.
Yeah.
I need your help.
I